Hello guys. Welcome to WhatVwant, a technology vlog. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 3 easy methods to show hidden files on Mac. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. If you are new to our channel, click on the red color subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Without any delay, let's get started. Number 1. Using keyboard shortcut. Open Finder on your Mac. Hold Command, Shift, and press dot. Then it displays the hidden files in low opacity. This is how you can easily show the hidden files using keyboard shortcut. To hide back the hidden files, hold the Command, Shift, and press dot. That's it, the filers are hidden. Number 2. Funter. Funter is a free application available for Mac users to hide and unhide files easily. It has a minimal interface and makes the application usage very handy. This is Apple notarized and approved by Apple. It provides regular updates and is compatible with the latest version macOS versions. Features of Funter. Easy to use. Free application. It allows to find files that Spotlight never finds. Provides Mac memory usage. How to show hidden files on Mac using Funter. Open any browser and visit the official site of Funter. Download the application onto your computer. Launch the application after successful installation. On the top menu bar, it displays the icon of Funter. Click on it, then a pop-up will appear. Toggle the bar to show the hidden files. As you can see that the hidden files are visible in the Finder window. You can toggle the bar to hide back the files. Else, click on the Funter icon available on the top right of the Finder window. A drop-down option will appear. Click on Hide Hidden Files option. Then the files will be hidden back. Number 3. Using Terminal. Launch the Terminal application on your Mac. Type the command displaying on the screen, and hit Enter. You can also copy the command from the below description. Next, type another command as displaying on screen. Now, open the Finder and there you will find the hidden files too. To hide back the hidden files, open the Terminal window again. Type the command displaying on screen and hit Enter. Check description for the command. Next, enter the another command displaying on screen, and hit Enter. That's it, the files are hidden. Hope you like this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.